Hi everyone, my name is Lake Smirnov and it's Forex Pro Community. Today we have a Tuesday. It's 9:16 in the morning of GMT time, and let's go to the market to see what's going on. So first of all, we will start with economical calendar to see what good news or not, huge news or not, we can see on the market today. So right now we saw gross domestic product information about euro. There is no big difference, just 0.2%. So no big effect will be on the market on euro. Later we will see some different news, C and B category, which are not going to affect market really much. So today probably there are not going to be nothing interested on this field. Wednesday, tomorrow, what we have? Manufacturing production of Great Britain, industrial production, it's also small effect. Crude oil inventories, official cash rate. Tomorrow evening at 9 o'clock in the evening, 9 p.m. GMT time, we will see that New Zealand central bank will say their opinion about the official cash rate. If they're going to change, for example, it's going to rise, so there will be some positive signal to buy New Zealand dollar. If they're going to make a surprise and just make this rate lower, so basically we will have opportunity to sell New Zealand dollar. Currently, we will expect this news and we'll see what's going on. So market and analysts are making forecasts there will be no changes. So if there is no changes, no surprise, no movement going to appear. That's all for tomorrow. Thursday. What we have Thursday in the morning in 7 o'clock GMT time, President Mario Draghi will make his speech. So sometimes it might affect the market, but depends on what is the subject and what kind of attitude he's going to impress in this speech. So basically how we use this speech in our trading. If we have some positions in the profit, for example, so better just fix the profits or set up stop losses at zero profit level, or not trade at all. We just wait what Mario Draghi will say. If there is no surprise and huge effect, so we can proceed our technical trading. What else? Trade balance of Great Britain. It's nothing, no huge interest. Unemployment climbs. Unemployment climbs. United States government publishing this information every Thursday, and every Thursday we can see that the market can be affected by this news just about, I don't know, 15, 20, 30 points. But depends if we will see some big difference. For example, it will be 300 here. So it will be some positive news for 20 points, 20 pips, buying United States dollar. What else? Polis will speak. It's not really interesting. Friday, German unemployment change participant rate, unemployment rate of Canada. There will be something interesting because unemployment rate, it's A category news, so the market can make movement about 80, 100, 120 points. Depends if we will see the numbers which are more positive or negative for Canadian dollar. So if, for example, 12:30 on Friday, we will see 7.2, 7.3, 7.5. So unemployment rate is rising. Same moment we will see that unemployment change will go down. It's go to minus. So less new jobs, new places are created, it means will be negative, really negative news for Canadian dollar. So we can sell it and it's going to go really rapidly, really fast. So average 100, 120 points we can achieve there like a profits. If the information will be more negative, no, positive. For example, unemployment rate will go less, 6.5, 6.8, and also same moment this unemployment change will be 5,000, 10,000. So it means it's positive news for Canadian dollar. We are going to buy. So just Friday 12:30, better to be near the computer to check what's going on with the market, see the numbers, and make our decisions. And probably for this week, that's it. No huge news will appear. So summarize, we will have tomorrow nothing. Sorry, today nothing. Tomorrow official cash rate of New Zealand. We can check the numbers and try to trade there. Thursday probably nothing. Only unemployment climbs with small effect, 20-30 points. And Friday will be much interesting trade on unemployment rate of Canada. Right now, let's go to check what's going on technical side of our currencies. We can start, for example, with Great British Pound. So let's start with a bigger time frame to understand more global picture. What we can see on the chart, and we can draw some technical lines here. So we have this trend line, and it's working like some flat, like some channel. It's not like classical channel, but anyway, we can use several lines here. Now we see this. So currently we see that the market staying in these levels, into this bigger time frame. It's not working properly here, here, and here. So this line, yeah, will go like this. We will put it more carefully by close prices. So basically right now, because of this trend line, long trend line, which are drawn from August 2015, almost a year, we have some signal to sell. Currently, because of the Brexit situation of Great Britain, so any trader will wait, an investor will wait 23rd of June, when we will see this voids data about going Great British Pound to stay in European Union community or going to leave. Because of this Brexit situation, right now we will have some short-term couple weeks situation when the market about Great British Pound will be really nervous. So sometimes it's going to just with no reason, because of economical calendar, for example, doesn't show nothing. With no reason, there will be some movement, for example, when the participants are selling Great British Pound. It's again probably will be affected because of this nervous situation that Great Britain going to leave European community or not. But currently we have this strong daily line signal to sell. Same moment we see that MACD show us these divergent signals, which still is in progress. It's in focus. Why? Because the histograms of MACD didn't reach zero level. So, for example, if the market will go lower till, let's get back to the stop, will go lower till 42.57 approximately, their histograms will reach zero level. It means the signal stopped to work. So currently, because of this a little nervous situation about Brexit, better not to open buy position on Great British Pound. So probably market can sell it, or sometimes buy it because some of government persons will go and say nothing going to happen, we're going to stay. So better this long term we are not going to use right now on Great British Pound. Let's try to find some short-term positions. So on 4-hour chart, what we have? Let's remove these lines. 4-hour chart, we can draw some channel, and right now we see that the actual prices are in the middle of this channel. So if the market going to rise till level 147.04, there will be a good signal to open sell positions because of this trend line. That's why we're going to put right now sell limit orders, sell limit orders. So let's make it, for example, 147.00. Setting up stop loss, we will use these maximums we saw before. It was 47.68, so we can make stop loss 147.99. And maximum take profit we can expect in these levels 143.63. 143.63. Let's place this pending order. So because of this pending order, we will just wait that the market will rise, and after that we can open our trade, or it's going to be opened automatically by our pending order. This line, I don't like it. I don't like it. And another mediana we can just put inside of this channel. I think it's going to be here. Yes. So it's one maximum. Here it was broken. Again, rebound. Right now, in the future, when the market will go till these maximums, we will have these sell positions. After that, probably the scenario can appear that the market retreat till this level, 135.45.35, and there will be some small rebound, about 50-60 points can appear because of this mediana. But currently there is only one signal just from this resistance. MACD doesn't show us nothing. Let's go to check what's going on 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we will remove our trend lines from 4 hour chart. So what we have here, MACD doesn't show us nothing. There was some movement in the morning, 182 points, because of, again, some nervous situation, I think, of Brexit. From 1 hour chart, we can draw this line. Currently, it has two rebounds. This one, it's not like a rebound, so market actually didn't really touch it. So probably we can wait from 1 hour chart that market will rise here, and from this place, if it will make some rebound, after that we can use this line. So currently it's not strong enough. It just has two rebounds, and it's not much. We need at least 3. But same moment we can draw some medianas, technical lines here, for example this one, and it's going to be good zone to buy. Because of this, mediana became right now and work like support. So if the market will make this retreat, same moment, by the way, we can use, for example, Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci levels, let's just make it a little bit more comfortable to see. Great. So the same signal will be from these Fibonacci levels on the level 38. So from here, right now, we will have 2 good signals to open buy trade. So let's set up buy limit. Stop loss, we're setting up stop loss, we will use 61 level. Better we will hide it lower than this previous minimum. So it was 44.33. Let's put it 44.10. 144.10, and take profit. Let's put on the maximums, just leaving small tips for market. 146.50. 146.49. 49. Done. So basically now we just need to wait that market will reach our pending orders and will open our trades. So this what we have right now about Great British Pound. Let's proceed on Europe Union currency versus United States dollar. Weekly. Market is staying on area in this flat. Right now we see flat channel. MACD will show us divergent signals if the market will rise till the level 115.79. So actual price will be higher on about 200, 150, 200 points. There will be a MACD divergent signal. Now it's not in a focus. So right now, because of this channel and flat, we have potential for market on area to go down lower till these support lines. But currently, we doesn't have any position. So better, we will wait that the market will reach these maximums, and from here we can just with great guarantees open trades to sell. So we can set up sell limits right now. 115.65. 115.65. Stop loss we will set up over these maximums. It was 117.14. So just giving some additional numbers. How much it was again? 17.05. So 117.65. 17.65. And take profits. We are setting up near this support level. 10750. 107, also 65. Place. This is a long-term position. I think we will need maybe 1 week or a couple weeks till the market will reach our pending order, and after that we will need couple, maybe 6-8 weeks that the market will go down to reach our take profit. But anyway, stop loss maximum potential losses are about 200 points and potential profits are 760 points. It's a good attitude, losses, potential losses and potential profits. So it's on weekly. Let's go inside to check more local charts. On daily, we see these movements because of the Friday unemployment rate of United States data. So the market moved. Basically on daily chart, what we can draw here from technical side, there is some good support. And also we can take same level. So here we have a little rising uptrend. So basically because of this channel, market can rise, but same moment we did draw this weekly line which going to stop it right here. It was just like this. Probably what scenario can appear here? Market will start to think because of the weekly line. Market need to go down because of this channel. It has to reach this maximum. So probably it can give just some market overpriced, will give some shadows, and after that, close price of daily market will be lower these levels, and market will proceed to move down to south. So basically this position we already set it up with sell limits are really good because stop losses we did put over this maximum, so it's okay. It's really fine. It's really fine. Same moment we can draw here this mediana, and the market is breaking it now. In the future, it's going to rise a little, have a retreat. From here we can open trade with small profits in the daily chart, about 80 points, and see some rebound. But now it's not in the focus and we're not going to set up pending order because it's almost impossible to predict exact price of to open the trade. What we see on 4-hour chart, there is some potential to see the signal of MACD divergence when the market will reach a little bit higher prices, 114.03. Same moment, what we can say about drawing the technical lines, but let's put the Fibonacci levels first because of this movement what we saw on the Friday. Now there is stay good potential for rising, and I think so better we will see it on 1-hour chart. Yes, so currently because of these Fibonacci levels, best what we will do, we will wait that the market will go back to 38 level and we are going to buy here. Let's set up the pending order. Stop loss lower than 61. It's 112.20. 112.20. And take profit from here. So the first target will be 32 points, but we will be a little bit aggressive. Let's set up 113.82. 113.82. And it's placed. MACD divergence. If the market right now will rise a little, there will be not really strong signal of MACD divergence. That's why we're not going to use it. Okay, I think currently that's enough with ERA. We have two positions from 38 level here and long-term position just selling on level 115.65. Let's check what's going on with Japanese yen. Weekly chart. There will be some potential to see MACD divergence signal to buy when the market will go lower. So after a couple days we can check it again. Now there is not necessary to set up pending order there. Daily chart. Daily chart. What daily chart show us? There is trend line, support, trend line. Before the market are going to reach it. Yeah, I think using this trend line we can set up our pending order. The second we put like a zone right here, so we will choose a conservative. The price 104.17 to buy. 117. We will set up stop loss 103. Just some 100 points because of huge time frame, and movement because of daily chart. I think on 100 points it might appear 125 days. And it's placed. Let's go to check the weekly. Where was the minimums? Yeah, the minimums was really far, really far. It was really far. If in nearest 2-3 days the market will touch this support line, so the rebound will come and we will get our profits with 100 points. Okay, it's daily. Now let's check what's going on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. We see this movement because of the Friday events of unemployment rate, and right now I think the market give us on Fibonacci some signal. We'll check, and it's already worked out. So the market made this retreat till the 38 level. Traders did open trade sell, and there was some movement 45 points, and now it's trying to make a bigger retreat. But also we can use these Fibonacci levels from 4-hour chart. And what we see now? We see now that the market standing just near this 38 level. So we can try to open these sell trades if we will make this zone maybe a little bit stronger. This zone will be much stronger. It's a great median we can see on the chart right now. So let's put sell limit here. It's really good opportunity to sell. Stop loss we will set up over these previous maximums 109.90. So it's 109.99. Take profit for our chart. So 80 points, 80, 90, 90 points we probably can get as a minimum, and the maximum we can get this lowest price we've seen before, so till 106. So let's put couple orders to get different targets, different take profits there. So 107, 107, 65, and the second order will be here 106, 50, 60, 106, 65. Stop loss we had 109.99, and it's placed. There was a trade. Okay. $59.1. We will make the similar price. So, from Japan, currency pair, currently we're waiting signals. And by the way, if we check this moving average, also in this zone we will have moving average 8 working, so probably it will make our forecast and single much stronger. So we can sell from here with a good guarantees. Next levels to open sell positions will be a little bit higher on the level 110, but currently let's wait and check how this order, pending order, will work, and after that, if it will be necessary, we will open another trade from these good trend lines. So on 1 hour chart, do we have any fast short-term signals? No, and I think that and it's not. We need to wait that the market will rise, but anyway, we have this more conservative pending order because of 4 hour chart trend line. I think that's it about Japanese yen, and next we are going to check is United States versus Switzerland franc. Currently on Switzerland franc, on 1 hour chart, we see actual signal to buy because of this MACD divergence, serial divergence. But let's start anyway from much bigger time frames. Weekly doesn't give us any good information. Looks like we have a channel here. Channel is not the best one, but it's a channel. Sometimes we can make such exceptions. So anyway, we see some downtrend, so better to try to find positions in this trend. That is just more global point of view. What we see on 4 hour chart, we see this good fast movement from the last week. The market is falling really well. Let's just say good technical lines we can draw here right now. For example, this mediana, setting up Fibonacci levels. There will be good signals to sell. 1 hour chart, we're doing the same. Okay, so how fast it is. 60 points. Okay, what probably will be on the market on Swiss franc now? Now we will, first of all, we'll open trade because of this MACD divergence. We can open trade. We will set up stop loss. It's 1 hour chart divergence, so 60 points will be a stop loss. 196, 95, 98. And take profit, we can set up here. 60 points will be first target, so 0, 97, 12. Buy. Probably we will see following. Market will rise a little till this moving average. After that we'll give some rebound for 15-20 points. Not a big one because of this good signal of divergence. Just 15-20 points. We are not going to trade here for sell position. After that it's going to proceed reaching till reach our take profit. After that on 23 level we'll make some small rebound for 15-20 points because of the level. Market need to respect it. It's going to break it out. Will reach this technical line in 38 level, and there will be a good zone to sell, to open sell position. Same moment, I think here we will see that the MACD divergence histograms already will reach 0 level, so this indicator and signal more not going to affect the market and the forecast. So now we open a trade buy, and we can set up this pending order to sell. It will be just a little bit before 38 level because of this line. So let's set it up here. Stop loss we put over 61. It's 98.35. 98.35. And take profit we setting up near these minimums we see right now. 96.54. 96.54 place. And I think that's it. So currently we just need to wait that the market will make its movement and open our trades. We'll see what's going on with our already opened trade on Swiss franc in couple hours, probably till the end of this day. In the evening, I think we will have some good profit there. Anyway, pending orders we did set up, and now we just need to wait how the market going to reach our levels and say our forecast was correct or not. Anyway, on economical calendar for today, there is no huge news. Anyway, till the Friday will be no big effect from the fundamental part, economical part. So let's trade as always when the economical part doesn't affect the market from technical lines and indicators. Forecast is done. Good luck to everyone. Bye.